gold and silver both now are at the support levels as we discussed in the Asia session update today. 1932-35 zone, very strong support for gold, and at the same time for silver 2320 2340 levels is still very much at 2340 and gold at 1935. So what to expect with the US session, which position you should take trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Those who are new to the channel, this is the second update for the day, and hence press the bell icon so that you can watch both the updates. First update I released with the Asia and Europe session early in the day. Also, every like is a great motivator for me. Also, do share, subscribe and comment, friends. This is always been appreciated and it's always a great motivation for me. Let's start with gold first now. Towards the end we will look into silver. Now look at gold here. See what it has done by coming here at these levels. It is again fallen back within the same zone in which it was trading for long. So this was the rise. It has retraced till the same levels. Now see here the lows were at around 1932 levels. This time it is retracing from a slightly higher level. The question is, should you buy here or is it going to bounce back from here? We have to wait for it to now break past 1940 and above 1940 possibly. See this zone again 44-46 is a great resistance. Last week also we had discussed this 1944-46 levels. It has to breach pass by, then you can say that the bulls are back and possibly we may see a rise. Till then we have to watch patiently. So you can buy at 1938-39 itself, or rather I'll say at 40, but then you have to be cautious at 1944-46 if at all it rises till there. We'll look into detail. See the stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD is bearish here, trying to converge a bit. RSI is trying to rise again. At the same time on the 2-hour charts, see the complete gains are erased now and you can see 5 red candles. Also look at the candles here. See till here the body size was diminishing and then this candle has appeared. This is also, it has also achieved lower lows. Now one thing you can do here is, see, draw a parallel between this and this. Now you will find out that till here 1940 you have to be watchful. Beyond that, still this zone you have to be careful. Yes, you can buy, however we have to buy with caution here. Here it is the maximum resistance and beyond that definitely we can see it rising with strength. Also you can look it like this: drop, retracement, double bottom, and if it flies it is going to be a stronger one. Stochastic at bottom and it's oversold. The MACD crossing here for sell, this is something which is a worry point and hence we have to watch a little more. RSI is also trading at bottom. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. Just all the gains from this candle are now erased and it is trying to reverse from here. Stochastic again oversold. MACD is also trying to converge crossover. It is still in green though. And the RSI is trading flat and it is near to bottom. Coming to 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour chart, see, here was the reversal. 3 red candles. On the 4-hour chart, the body size here was smaller than the previous one, suggestive of that the bearishness is getting diminished. Now this candle could be a reversal candle and from next candle onwards the rise can be seen. Hence this candle holds a very important place here. Now also we have to observe that it has to break past the highs of this channel and hence 1940 is a good entry point for you. Till 1940 we have to watch. Stochastic back to oversold. MACD is still in green. RSI is flat. So now till now we have seen the buying levels. What about the selling levels? We'll see that in also. Let's go back to 4-hour chart. Now selling levels, if you look at, we have discussed earlier that 1935 and 1932 zone. Precisely this is what the zone we have discussed. It has fallen back within the same zone and hence now if you see it trading below 1932 you can sell here, but then also we have to be careful till 1928 and below that. See 1924-28 zone is a good support for now. Below that only bearishness may prevail, else what it will try to do, forming the bottom, retracement, again bottom, and it can fly. Hence this is something you should watch. Now look at the daily charts now. On the daily, first observation was the lower highs and see this, the opening candle today failed to break past the highs here. This suggests how important is 1946 levels, 47 levels. It has reversed from the same levels. At the same time it has erased all the gains from the previous candle here and same zone it is getting support. So right now it is still very much in indecision. Hence, if you are selling it, yes, you can sell at 32, but then you have to again see this candle, why it got pushed back. The Bollinger Bands are not there, and it is this candle got pushed back. This candle also was outside Bollinger Bands, it got pushed back. Now the width of the Bollinger Band is expanded till towards 1930, and hence if you are selling at 1932, we have to watch and observe a little more till towards 24-28 zone. That is also a great support. Stochastic at bottom trying to rise. MACD is bearish here, trying to trade with divergence. RSI is almost flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 1940 levels and expect it to get maximum resistance at 44-46 zone. And beyond that, if it stays above 44-46 zone, just stay long. It is going to fly high. It can yield similar candle here. Now see, this candle also has got a lift from the downside. This candle can also get a lift here. It can rise, break past 1950. We can see it hitting 1955 levels also. Hence, you can initiate a buy entry at around 1940. At the same time, a selling entry at 32 can be taken. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Similarly with silver, see these two candles, the complete gains are erased. It has come down to the same support levels, 2340. And now with the same support, it is trying to rise. See, symmetrical candle. Next candle I will wait and watch out for. If that candle takes it above 2350, you can expect it to rise for 2360, 70 till we have seen it earlier till 2380. Very strong resistance exists for silver, and hence till there you have to trade with a 10 cents trailing stop loss. And in fact this time we can buy here at 2350 itself, but then we have to be alert till 2380. Now if you look at stochastic, this is at bottom. MACD on the hourly charts is divergent and bearish here, and it is at sub-zero levels itself. RSI is also trading at bottom. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see this candle was a breakout here, and now this candle, if it has to reverse, it has to break past 2350 levels and 2355 levels. This zone it needs to break past in order to confirm the reverse. So yes, we can initiate a buy until 2350, but with caution. You have to be alert. At the same time, a selling entry, now you can see the previous lows at 2335. This needs to be breached, and that is why I say you can sell at 2330. See that this is also outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it has to push extra hard in order to breach these levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is trading flat at bottom. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, if you look at the formation here, see, largely if you look at it is trading in this box. It has to come out of this box any which ways. Right now it is very much limiting its movement within the box, and hence that is why I say these levels are very, very important on the downside. In fact, till 2320, on the upside till 2380. This is a zone where it is going to get, it is rather I'll say indecisive. Stochastic oversold. MACD is in green trying to converge a bit. RSI at bottom. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at, similar observation, here was the reversal. We have seen the red candles. Now it is taking the support here, it's trying to stay in the box. Similar observation, nothing different. Stochastic here at bottom. The MACD is in green. Now see, here the MACD is crossing over at the bottom levels, and possibly from here there should be a little upward pull. RSI is also trading at bottom almost. And on the daily charts, if you look, now look at daily charts. See, first of all, you should note, you should observe the previous 3-4 candles. Lower highs are seen consistently, lower lows are seen consistently. This is just the story for last 3 candles here. And now it has to stay above 2370, 2380 zone, and then definitely you can say that the silver is trying to reverse here till towards 2420 levels. And yes, you can initiate a buy until 2355. When I say buy until 2355, it means this price, that is a sell price excluding the spread, has to be above 2350 levels. You can expect it to rise for 2360, 70, 80. Beyond that, it will give you complete reversal. In fact, it can yield similar size of candle here. Stochastic at bottom. MACD is bearish here, divergent. RSI is also looking downwards. Considering this, a buy at 2350 and sell at 2330. On the downside, in fact, 2320 levels is a great support, and on the upside till 2380, it has got good resistance. In between these levels, trade with caution. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do trade with a stop loss. Do trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.